Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make Ube cheesecake. Start by gathering all your ingredients, ensuring your Ube halaya is at room temperature for easy mixing. For the crust, combine about 1 1/2 cups of crushed graham crackers with 6 tablespoons of melted butter. Press this mixture firmly into a 9-inch springform pan. Chilling the crust for at least 15 minutes helps it set beautifully, providing a sturdy foundation for your Now, let's create that signature Ube filling. In a large bowl, beat 2 blocks of softened cream cheese until it's wonderfully smooth. Gradually add 1 cup of granulated sugar, mixing until just combined. Then, fold in about 1 cup of Ube halaya and 1 teaspoon of Ube extract for that beautiful purple hue and distinct flavor. Finally, gently mix in 2 large eggs, one at a time, to keep the filling light and airy. When slowing down, downshift by matching the engine's revolutions to your road speed for smoother transitions. Use the brake pedal to effectively reduce your speed, ensuring safety. For advanced drivers, the heel-toe technique involves braking and rev matching simultaneously, which can significantly improve your car's balance and responsiveness during spirited driving or track days. Once your Ube cheesecake is thoroughly chilled, carefully remove it from the springform pan. Now for the fun part, decorating. You can pipe on some freshly whipped cream, sprinkle toasted coconut flakes, or arrange some fresh berries for an elegant touch. For clean slices, warm your knife under hot water and wipe it clean between each cut. Serve your beautiful Ube cheesecake chilled and savor every delightful bite.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.